Now let us see the nature of the solute or the nature of the solution. When a solute is added to the solvent, the solution may be acidic or it may be basic in nature. Usually when we prepare the solution in water, we use the word alkaline. What is the meaning of alkaline, or what is the difference between a base and an alkali? Please give the answer in the comment box. Is there any difference between a base and an alkali, and if yes, what is the difference? So let us continue here. According to the classical definitions, there are various ways to define an acid and a base. So in the consecutive videos, we'll be seeing the different ways of defining acids and bases. So in this video, we are seeing the classical definition. What is the meaning of classical definition? In ancient times, there were no labs to carry out the experiment to know the pH of the solution. Now we are using a term called as pH. We have the pH scale, we have pH meter to know the pH of the solution. But as initially there were no big labs or instrumentations available or instruments available, simple techniques they were used to know the substance acidity or its alkalinity. So let us see the classical definition of acids or bases. So acids are the substances. See students, I am taking one shortcut here. For acids I am using A. After A we have B. So what are acids here? The first definition is acids are the substances whose water solution turns. Now here I am using after A it comes B. So whose water solution turns blue litmus to red. That is a litmus paper. I think all of you have used that in qualitative analysis in the lab. That is one of the preliminary tests to detect the pH. So acid is a substance whose water solution turns blue litmus to red. What will be the second way to define the acid? So acid is a substance that neutralizes a base completely. What is the meaning of completely, students? Means it will form salt and water. Simply it is the neutralization reaction. What is the third one? You know that acids, when they react with metals, they liberate hydrogen gas. So what can be the third point for acid is, acids are the substances when they react with metals, they liberate hydrogen gas. So this is the third definition for acids. Next, what you can have here, very important, just by taste, they are sour to test. Very risky to test all the acids and give it, but as you know that acids, one of the acid, like you have the citric acid in lemon, it is sour in taste, and so we say that they are sour to taste. So all the four classical definitions of acids, we have seen acid is a substance whose water solution turns blue litmus to red. They neutralize the bases completely. Of course, you know, to give salt and water. Now here they react with the metals with the liberation of hydrogen gas, and they are sour to taste. So they are the classical definition. Now what do you think will be the classical definition for a base? So bases are the substances. Now we can have a change here itself. So let us see what are the classical definitions for bases. So here I will make a change. Base are the substances whose water solution turns red litmus to blue. Next, bases are the substances that neutralizes a acid completely. Very easy, students. Here this I will skip because this is not a property of a base. Instead, we can have that they are soapy to touch. Now what is the meaning of this, student? Because most of the bases, they are used in the preparation of soap. If you take some soap in your hand and you just scrub it, you know that it is soapy, and therefore they are the sodium salts of these bases here. So they are soapy to touch, and instead sour, they are bitter to taste. I don't know how many of you have tested this, but yes, bases or alkali, they are bitter, so they are bitter to test. Those are the classical definitions for acids and bases. Whenever a question is asked to give the definition, you have to write according to the classical definition. Then you have to write the 4 points for each acid and bases. So on this basis, the classical definitions HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, they are acids, NaOH, KOH, they are bases based on the 4 classification points. Thank you, students.